Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is Adam Kaler with the OU IT department. I wanted to take a moment to talk about the university's new panic button software. This software provides the OUKS campus with a complete alert notification system delivered right to your desktop. The first new screen you will notice is the AlertUs contact information screen. This screen helps to relay contact information back to the security department to know exactly who needs help. Once this contact information is completed, you can now access your panic button. The panic button can be engaged in multiple ways. In a non-life-threatening situation where assistance is needed, simply press the F7 key to bring up the Request Emergency Assistance window. Here, you can type a short message that is immediately relayed to the security department. However, in a life-threatening situation, keyboard shortcuts send preset alerts to individuals in your building and the security team. For a situation where you do not feel safe or feel threatened, Alt, Control, F4 immediately notifies security and everyone in your building. Under the situation of an active shooter on campus, Alt, Control, F9 alerts the entire campus, campus security, and local law enforcement. OU Help will be sending out documentation with all the information I just mentioned. Finally, if you were to receive an alert, it is a full screen alert that would look and sound similar to this.
This is a test of the AlertUs emergency notification system. No action is needed. In a real emergency, this message will contain important alert information.
Thank you all for your time today. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to OU Help. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.